Hello, Matt Arndt again. Today we want to talk about the benefits of factory installed solar and the warranties. A quality factory installed RV solar power system offers owners a lot of advantages. First, we've worked with the most experienced folks in the RV industry to design quality systems with best-in-class components. Second, Keystone's buying power means you're getting an incredible value for the dollar. Third, you avoid taking your RV back to the shop for days or weeks to have solar installed. From the minute your coach is delivered, your solar power system is ready to go, and you don't have to worry about damage or potential warranty issues from an aftermarket installation. Another added benefit is the Keystone warranty. The SolarFlex system and installation are covered by Keystone's 1-year limited base warranty. And an added bonus, SolarFlex parts purchased from Keystone for expansion of the SolarFlex system will be warranted for the duration of the Keystone 1-year limited warranty. What's even better is that we've designed each SolarFlex system to grow with you. If you decide you want to spend more time camping off-grid, SolarFlex 200, 400i, and 600IL have individual expansion possibilities that we have prepped for you. As we mentioned earlier, if you install any of these components in the first year, they are covered by the balance of our 1-year limited base warranty. To learn more about SolarFlex and its advantages, visit KeystoneRV.com.